world of mountains. Friends, have you recognized me? I am the mighty mountain. I am very beneficial to you. Several rivers originate from me. I am the store of various medicinal plants. I am the home to several wild animals, and during summer, a lot of tourists come to me to enjoy the cool breeze and fresh air. There are several villages and towns at my foothills. I am going to narrate a story of one such village of Sikkim, situated at the foothills, which has very simple people. Are you aware that few people like to climb atop me? Few such people have come to this village. The objective of this video is to understand the various aspects of mountaineering.
See there! How strange are these people? They look so different from us.
Let's go to their school quickly before they catch us. I'm very scared.
Let's go quickly and inform the teacher.
Master Ji, we have come across a group of strange-looking people. They had worn an altogether different costume. I had got very scared.
Children, listen. A group of mountaineers have landed in our village. You must have seen them.
Mountaineers? Who are these people?
Mountaineers are those who climb the mountains. Come, I shall take you to the group and we can talk to them.
While the children go to the group of mountaineers, I want to ask you whether any of you have seen me or mountains like me? Have you seen the unwieldy paths of the mountains? What are the names of the mountains in our country?
Tapi, why do you think these people have arrived here? I have never seen such a group earlier in our village.
You are correct. We never have seen such a group in our village.
Come, children, let's talk to that man there. He looks like a leader of the group.
Come, Master Ji. I am very excited to meet them.
Good morning, sir. I am the teacher working in the school here in our village. I have brought 2 of my students with me. They were curious to know why are you people here.
Good morning, children. How are you two?
Good morning, sir. We are fine, sir.
What brings you to our village? Why is the group here? Why do you all look very tired?
We are a group of people who are trying to scale a peak of this mountain. I am the group leader.
Group leader? What do you do?
Like you have a class monitor in your class, I am the monitor of this group.
Oh, I see.
There are 40 people in this group, and I have divided these 40 people into 5 groups of 8 each.
Children, he's the head of the entire group.
Yes, you are right. It has so happened that we started climbing this mountain from the other village.
Then, how did you come to our village?
Halfway through, 3 of my team members started feeling very dizzy and took ill. With the help of a few locals, I rushed them to this village. After administration of medical aid, I am now helping them to go back to their houses. Children, have you ever become a class monitor? What are your duties as a monitor? What are the qualifications to become a monitor?
Yes, sir. I was once a monitor of my class. My duties were collecting books of children and giving it to the teacher, maintaining silence in the class when the teacher is busy, and also help weak children with their studies.
Sir, do you also do the same thing?
Yes, me and the group leaders are like the class monitors. We have various responsibilities like helping carry the bag of tired mountaineers. Lead the group. Take care of sick mountaineers. Find a good place to wait and rest when the group is tired. Oversee the group and walk last, and take the responsibility of the group. In other words, we take care of the group like leaders.
Isn't this amazing? Does any one of you want to be a group leader for a mountaineering expedition after you grow big?
Sir, I want to be a group leader. I want to climb a mountain. It looks so interesting and adventurous.
It indeed is. It requires a lot of physical and mental strength. One needs to have patience and understand team spirit.
Sir, what is team spirit?
Team spirit is to stay with the group and think for the group and to support one another. Team spirit is the key to success. This is because better bonding among the team members to achieve goals will ensure success.
Children, when do you display the team spirit?
I am so excited. Sir, can you please tell me what needs to be done to scale a mountain?
A lot of people train themselves for mountaineering from the beginning itself. You can first start climbing a hill and then finally the mountain.
What are these bags that are lying here?
These are rucksacks, isn't it, sir?
Yes, these are rucksacks. We carry them on our backs and move. These bags contain necessary items like food packets, ropes, plastic sheets for tents, torch, towel, soap, sleeping bag and medicine.
Oh, these many things.
Yes, once we climb the mountains, we will not find anything. We need to be sufficiently equipped.
How do these things come handy?
Each and every item has its own use. Like we need hooks and ropes to climb the mountains, cross the water bodies in the mountains. We need plastic sheets to build tents, etc.
Are tents used to sleep and protect mountaineers against the weather and wild animals?
Yes, and we always need whistles and torch to find our way out if we get lost.
That means mountaineers should always move in groups.
Yes, we always move in groups. We carry food, water and medicines every time as we require all these. Climbing the peak of a mountain usually lasts few months, so we need all these.
Thank you, sir. You have motivated us. We also want to scale a mountain after we grow big.
Excellent! You both should become like Bachendri Pal. Do you know who she is? She is the first Indian woman who scaled the Mount Everest in 1984.
We were not aware of this. She's
the source of inspiration to many Indian
women.
Sir, we are grateful that you spared your valuable time for us. We will take your leave.
Children, in this video, you learnt about the various aspects of mountaineering. Hope you have understood the uses of the mountains, information about the mountaineers, and about their interesting adventures.